Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Jamie. I run Pumpkin Freak, where every October I give pumpkin carving ideas, tips and tutorials. Today I'm going to show you a way to make a pumpkin last for a little bit longer. This is something I've been playing around with for the last few years. I can make them last a few weeks. I have had them last a few months, but they get really discoloured after a while. It's always going to rot. It's a pumpkin. You can't stop that. But what you can do is prolong the life. So we've hollowed it out and exposed it all to the air. As soon as you do that, a pumpkin's going to start rotting. Once I'd finished carving it, I washed it with cold water and bleach. I then let that dry out. Up to this stage now it's all about moisture management. I've had it on its side for the last 24 hours with a fan circulating air, cold air through it. What you don't want to do is get a hairdryer or anything like that, anything that's going to add heat, because that's going to just make it rot. So inside here now is almost dry to the touch. So what I'm going to do is get some, this is some UV cure resin. And I've got a UV light, nozzle off and just tip a load in. Right, there's a good glug of it in there. I'm gonna get my arm in and I'm just gonna paint all the inside of the resin. Now I'm gonna turn this UV light on and I'm just gonna point it at where I've painted it with resin. Okay, so that's pretty much hard. As I say, it's just giving it a light coating of resin to seal it back up again, essentially. So there we go, that's completely cured now. It's pretty hard all over. So there is a slight weird shine to it when it's not lit up. Once you put a light in it, there you go, you can't really tell there's like a shiny finish when the lights are off, when it's in the dark. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please, like the video, comment, share, subscribe. And if you give this a go, let me know how you get on in the comments. Thanks very much.